Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the DIY stiletto and crystal design nails. I already have a full DIY video on how to do the salon nails. So if you like to get the full process, go ahead and take a look at that video. I will link it down in the description. So right here I'm starting out with measuring my nails. I will be starting with some coffin nails that I will be shaping to be stiletto nails. So first you want to have some scissors and of course a fingernail file. You are going to cut these nails in an angle as slim or as narrow as you would like them to be. And of course finish off with filing. Of course you're going to file and file until you get the desired shape that you like. I tried it on my finger just to make sure that it was what I wanted. I went back just to reshape some more. And then I repeated this step until I got all 10 nails to my desired shape. So in this next step, you want to grab some tape, any kind of tape that you have will work, masking tape, duct tape, scotch tape, whatever works. In this case, I am using painter's tape. This is what I had around the house. So I'm just going to roll it up until it can fit in the bed of the nail, and I'm going to attach it to an old box that I had just to give me some kind of sturdiness. Also, don't forget to clean the fouling dust off of the nail. This way the tape can stick to the nail thoroughly and stay in place throughout this process. I repeated this step until I had all of the nails intact and in place. You definitely want to make sure that you create enough room and enough space in between each nail, so that way when you're painting and doing your crystals, that you will not mess up the nail in front or behind it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start polishing. I am using the polish that I bought from Walmart for like $2. And also these crystals that I bought from Walmart, they were like $8. There is a smaller pack for like $3, but I wanted more, so I did get the one for $8, and I found those in the craft section in Walmart. Alright, so as you can see, I suck at polishing. So I think that is the best thing for me, is that these nails are not attached to my hands. So anytime that I make a mistake, it will not be on my skin, and I can always go back and retouch. Being that this is white polish, I did do 2 coats. This is the very first coat. Once I've completed it on one side, I just started the process on the other side, which gave that other side plenty of time to dry. Then I went back and did the second coat. As you can see, I'm just repeating the same steps for the second set of nails. Okay, so at this point, all 10 nails have been coated twice and they are completely dry. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding my jewels. I am going to be using my design pencil. This pencil is life when you're adding crystals or designs to your nails. I would definitely recommend that you have one of those. I am using a clear coat polish to add these designs. That was a bad idea. So now that I'm wearing these nails, I did lose some crystals. They are very easy to come off with the clear coat polish, so I definitely recommend that you use nail glue, which I did previously, and my crystals, I never lost one. So clear coat polish is not for long-term hold on your crystals or designs on your nails. Just FYI. While you're watching this, let me go ahead and add a few pointers. Once you have completed your designs and your nails are completely dry, before you get ready to add them to your nails, go ahead and file around the bed of the nail. You will know what I'm talking about if you use this process. Just file around it to make sure you have a smooth edge. I would definitely recommend that you push your cuticles back if you want that total and complete salon nail slay. If you're going to be adding crystals to a full nail, like from top to bottom, I definitely recommend that you do half of the nail for each step. So when you go to the beginning, start at the top, add all of your jewels, then go to the bottom part, add all of your jewels, because whatever adhesive that you're using will be dry by the time you get to the bottom unless you are working super fast. Now that you have added all of your jewels, go ahead and add a clear coat over the top. Even if you do use nail glue for the adhesive on the crystals, still go ahead and do your top coat to finish that look. So this is what it looks like once you have completed, added the jewels with the polish and the clear coat. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry completely while I start working on the other side, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. All right, so now that you got all of your jewels on, you want to go ahead and add a top coat. This is going to be your final look. If you want to know how to get these nails to last for a very long time, go ahead and check out my DIY salon nail video. I will link that down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel.